I don't go just way, I go full way.
Full way. Full way!
Whoa, wait a minute. Did you see that? Was that front tire spinning on that launch? That doesn't happen on a GT-R with front wheel assist. Let's launch it a little bit harder this time and check that out again. Wow. Yeah, that thing's putting down some all-wheel drive power there. ETSs just aren't known to do that. You blow through an ETS doing that on cheap tires and you ruin the plates in there and then you have to rebuild it again. Well, I got something coming. It's a carbon 11-plate ETS. It's nice and loose in the parking lots and stuff so it doesn't bind. But boy, when you put the power down, do they grip. It's amazing. Let's go back to the shenanigans.
No, that's weak, man. That's weak. Crank it up. Crank it up higher.
What?
That's weak. You got an ETS that can handle it. Do it. Do it.
Yeah,
no, Jack, no.
Yeah.
You're on the stock first gear. You're going to break it.
Ooh.
Don't do it, Jack. Don't do it.
It does have an
It's
OEM
not
first
good.
gear.
It's not good.
I gotta get it. Turn up. Turn it up.
Full way!
Yes, quit screwing around. Let's get back to work.